No.
It only made sense today.
No.
Will you marry me?
My heart is full of love and admiration for the person you are and the person you aspire to be. I'll forever be grateful for what we've created together and the love that we share. I'm honored to be your partner in life, your best friend, and now your husband.
My fire, the one desire.
You're an absolutely extraordinary woman. You're a constant inspiration to me. It's just really your pure determination, your strength, and your compassion that shines so bright and reminds me of how special you are. You're always there to lend a hand or open an ear, solve through the problems that come up, or dive into something new just to give yourself a challenge, and I'll forever be cherished for it. Not only do I promise to cherish you, but to cherish all the moments we share and have yet to make. From buying our first house, to our traditional gingerbread house making, down to just relaxing at home with the dogs. They are all special. With good moments, there will surely be bad ones as well, to which I will still cherish. Because it's not only those good moments, but it's also the bad ones that show the strength of our love and unity. And through those moments, I promise I will be by your side at every peak, every valley. I'll be there to listen and support you through the rough days and celebrate the special ones. So today, I give you not only my love, but my commitment to building a life of love, joy, and shared dreams. With you, I have found my home, my inspiration, and my truest happiness.
Dr. Seuss once said, "We are all a little weird, and life's a little weird." And we find someone whose weirdness is compatible with ours. We join up with them and fall in mutual weirdness and call it love. When I made a Tinder account all those years ago, I was not looking for love. But it snuck up on me when I was least expecting it. Well, really knocked on my butt and fought me until I accepted how I felt for you. I found a weirdness in you that is compatible with my weirdness. I promise you this: I will laugh with you in times of joy and comfort you in times of sorrow. I will share in your dreams and support you as you strive to achieve your goals, even if they include random home projects I don't know about until you're already working on them. I will listen to you with compassion and understanding and speak to you with encouragement. I promise to make all the fancy dinners and desserts, as long as you make the popcorn, frozen margaritas, bacon, and breakfast burritos. I promise to take life one switchback at a time, because no matter how difficult life gets, we can get through it together. Together, let us build a home filled with learning, laughter, and light, shared freely with all who may live there. Let us be partners, lovers, and friends all the days that follow.